Hi guys, it's Tamara. Welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all have been well. I'm going to give you guys just some good cleaning motivation, you guys. Hoping that this will get you motivated, whether you get up with me and clean or you just use this as motivation for after the video. So if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Take a look around to see if this channel is for you. I hope that it is, and it will encourage you to hit that subscribe button. If you are not new and you've been rocking with me for a while, I really appreciate you guys. You know that. Thank you so much for being here with me. So I hope you guys are ready for some cleaning motivation. I just want y'all to enjoy the music, enjoy the vibe, and get the motivation juices flowing, okay? So I hope you guys enjoy this video. So you know I hit 1K and I became monetized a couple months ago, several months ago, and I didn't do a giveaway right away because I've been trying to work out my channel. If you haven't followed me for a while, meaning a while, then you know that my channel consisted of my hair videos as well as my cleaning videos. But if you guys didn't know, my hair videos got me to monetization, not my cleaning videos. But I knew that I wanted my niche on this channel to be cleaning, so I'm trying to build that up. So if you were ever wondering how I got to 1K with low views, it's because my hair videos were upwards of 20K views, okay? So since I'm all confused and all over the place because I started doing both types of videos at the same time, I'm just like, oh my gosh, what do I do? If you're a creator here on YouTube, then you know things have changed, and in order to grow, you basically need to have one niche on one channel. And then of course, if you grow big, then you can branch out and add some other stuff in. So because I had two loves on here, I had to make a decision and just go with the first one, which was cleaning and organization and DIY, even though my hair videos was the bulk of my views. And I made a huge sacrifice by making those private. I'm still going back and forth whether or not I just want to activate those because I had so much traffic, so many connections and communication with people about my hair videos, more than I have with my cleaning videos. So I guess you can understand the dilemma that I've been in for a while now. But I'm just gonna see what happens. And I know you probably like, well, why would you remove those videos if they were doing better than the other videos? It's because I thought I could put both in one channel and my channel would just grow. You know what I'm saying? But when you have two types of people or two niches, then you have two different types of viewers, and you want to be able to give them what they want. And I felt that I was cleaning more than I was changing my hair out, so it just made more sense. Unfortunately, my hair videos were doing better than my cleaning videos, so I have since made those videos private, and I will probably be putting those on another channel. So I'm just, brainstorming about that, and I wanted to make this channel just primarily a home channel, cleaning, all that type of stuff. So if you didn't know, then that's kind of the background on how I grew. So in an effort to grow and to thank you guys who have been watching my videos, like I said, I am a small channel that has 1K. I mean, it's just one of those things. So I'm trying to build up my cleaning side, and I just want to thank you guys who have been just following me and supporting me and commenting and all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna have a giveaway, you guys, so make sure that you guys are subscribed to my channel. Your notification bell is on, and you are also following me on Instagram, you guys. My Instagram handle is always in my description box, and I will also put it on the screen. So in the next couple videos, I'm trying to work out exactly how I want to do it, but I want to do a $50 giveaway, you guys, just to say thank you, and just to let you guys know that this is where I want to be regardless of what my numbers say. So I really appreciate you guys, so look forward to that, and good luck to whoever wins.
Another side of you trying to break through, able to tell the truth. No one else can see you like I do. All you ever do is say how far you wanna go. Baby, I can tell it's just for sure. Every line designed to let me know. You know you're already accepted. To me, you're always picture perfect. You think you're gonna be rejected. Just say you're in love, 'cause so am I. So am I. Say that you are. So am I. Say that you love me. So am I. Say that you are. So am I. Say that you love me. When we are together, you're afraid to hold my hand, trying to understand. What if this doesn't go as planned? So you don't
Thank you guys so much for being here with me today. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at inspiredbytamaramichelle. Also subscribe if you have not, you guys. Leave a like. It really helps my channel. It'll help push it out to others who may like this type of content. And you can also help me by sharing this out to others who you think may enjoy as well. Thank you so much for being here, you guys. Blessings to y'all. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.